Hi, welcome to Woodgate's virtual open house. I'm Cara Neathery. I am your student's math teacher. I'm so glad you're here and checking out the videos. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, this is my 6th year at Woodgate and my 6th year in Midway. I love Woodgate so much. It has been such an amazing school and I have loved every minute working here. This is my 20th year teaching, so that's quite a big milestone I'm excited about. I graduated from Sam Houston with a degree in elementary education, and I went back to school a few years after that and got a master's in middle school math from Texas State University. I just love teaching math, and I have taught 4th grade through 7th grade, and I love these kind of middle years of intermediate middle school math because I feel like the math that students learn in these grades are the kind of like everyday math that every adult needs to know how to use. And it's not a really advanced math that you may use in a career, but not everyone is going to use. So there's so many things that we learn in these middle grades that really help us with our number fluency and being able to be really competent adults that I think are so important. A few things that are procedures for the class that I want you to know is number 1, homework goes out every Friday and is due next week on that Thursday. Homework is for a grade. Students need to show their work on it. They need to make sure they get that turned in. So as far as grades go, you need to make sure that you are checking HACC probably on a weekly basis to see what your child's average is. If there's ever an M, that means that something is missing. I take late work so they can still turn it in. It's okay. It's not that big of a deal. I let students make corrections on homework, on assignments in class. Pretty much everything we do, I'll let them make corrections up to a 100 if they show their work. Now the district policy is they can only correct test grades to a 70, but things that we're doing in class, they can correct to 100 as long as they show their work. If there's no work, they're not getting those points back. If it's something that I grade in Schoology, if they will look in the comments of the assignment, that's where I'll tell them what they missed or give them some ideas so they know what to fix if they would like to make corrections. This year, the district is using a new math curriculum, and it is from the company called Desmos. It's online, it's very interactive. I think the kids are gonna really enjoy it. So just know if you hear them talking about Desmos, that's our new math curriculum. Just kind of a highlight of some of the things that we're gonna be learning in 6th grade math. We'll be talking about fractions, decimals, percentages, rates, proportions, integers, multiplying and dividing with fractions and decimals. We'll get started on some very simple algebra. We talk about the coordinate plane, some data analysis, so a lot of really interesting things. I am going to show you where to find a few things in Schoology. So let's go hop onto Schoology really quick. So once you log into Schoology and you're on the main course page, you'll see this starting board that has my Bitmoji on it. So the first thing you need to look at is agenda slides. And this is going to show you what we're doing each day of the week. I usually put these up either Sunday night or Monday. So this is the week we're in right now. And if you'll just tap through your screen, you'll see what the agenda is for each day. So if you or your child is going to be out, how do they know what they need to do each day? They need to go look at the agenda slide. The next thing that's in here is the digital notebook. So this is my copy of the digital notebook. So if the student is at home and needs to look at the notes and they can't find theirs, the easiest thing they can do is go look at my notebook and you'll see my copy of all the notes, and you can always use this as a resource as well. The last thing I want to show you is there is a folder called Green Sheets. Green Sheets are like a 1-page, very short, concise, what's most important about the unit. So you'll find one of these for each one of our units. And I'll just add to the folder as the year goes. So right now we're just in Unit 1. And this is another great resource for students to come and look. If they need some help and they can't remember something, they can always look at the green sheet. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for coming and watching this video. If you need to get in touch with me, my email is on the bottom of the screen. You could also message me through Schoology, and I hope you have a great evening. Bye.